preparing for CSIR JRF Life Sciences and want to learn the ABC model of flower development, or you are a zoology student who think what will I do by learning the concepts of plant physiology or plant development? Well, in my opinion, easy marks won't hurt you, right? And in this short video, I'm going to talk about the concept that can easily give you 4 marks in the examination. Hello everyone, I'm Khalid. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bioblogger, and in this video we are going to talk about the ABC model of flower development in Arabidopsis. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. At this point, you may ask that there are many simple questions asked in the examination which are very easy to solve as well. So why I have selected this topic only? And the sole reason for that is the frequency with which questions have been asked in the last few years from this topic. You may go and check out the last few year question papers and you will get to know that there are a number of questions from this topic. So without wasting much time, let's get right into the topic. The story begins with Arabidopsis, which is a plant in which the floral organs are sepal, petal, stamen and carpel, which are arranged in 4 whorls, first, second, third and fourth, right? So these are present in the concentric ring. The outermost ring is the first whorl in which the sepals are formed, right? Inside that there are petals, inside that there is stamen, and ultimately in the innermost ring there are carpel. Getting my point? So first whorl sepal, second whorl petal, third whorl stamen and fourth whorl carpel, right? This is the wild type condition. Okay, this is the normal arrangement of these floral organs in Arabidopsis. Okay, these organs are identified in these whorls by few homeotic genes. Suppose they are A, B and C. Okay, so gene A is solely responsible for identity of sepals in whorl 1. Gene A along with gene B is responsible for identity of petals in whorl 2. Gene B along with gene C is responsible for identity of stamen in whorl 3, and gene C is alone responsible for the identity of carpels in whorl 4. Clear? And the next thing is gene A inhibits the expression of gene C in the first 2 whorls. So the expression of gene C is limited to only third and fourth whorl. On the same time, gene C inhibits the activity or expression of gene A in the third and fourth whorl. So as a result of that, gene A is expressed only in the first 2 whorls, right? Now these genes, we are fortunate that we have names for them as well. Gene A are epitela 1 and 2, gene B are epitela 3 and pistillata, and gene C is agamus, right? So what you have to remember now is the name of these genes and the position at which they are placed in the plant, right? And for which organ they are responsible. Okay, so that was the basic concept of ABC model, that 3 homeotic genes identifying the 4 whorls of 4 organs of the flower. Okay, now the question is, what if I say that I remove gene A from this scenario? What will happen? Well, in that case, gene C will be expressed throughout the 4 whorls, right? And the arrangement of these structures will be like, so in whorl 1 only gene C will be expressive, and in normal case we saw that gene C is responsible for formation of carpels. Okay, so in whorl 1, in place of getting sepal, we will be getting carpel. Remember, I am talking when gene A is absent or there is loss of function mutation in gene A. Okay, so in that case, gene C will be expressed throughout the till the first whorl, and in first whorl we will be getting carpels in place of sepals. What will happen in world 2? Well, in world 2, gene C will be expressed along with gene B. So in that case, we'll be getting stamen in place of petals, right? Because in normal case, gene C and B both are working together and forming stamen. Getting my point? In the same way, if gene C is eliminated from this scenario, or gene C have gone through a loss of function mutation, what will happen in this case? Well, gene A will be expressed till the world 4, right? Because there will be no factor to inhibit gene A till the world 2. So it can be expressed till the world 4, right? And as a result of that, in world 1 only gene A will be expressive, in world 2 A and B, in world 3 A and B, in world 4 only A. So what will be the arrangement of the plant? Sepal, petal, petal, sepal, right? Very easy, and the questions asked from this topic is also very easy. Coming to the next point, if gene B is eliminated, what will be the case then? Only A and C will be there, and these two are inhibiting each other as always. So there will be no change in this line. So the arrangement we will get is gene A will be expressed in world 2, and only gene A will be expressed in world 2, and as a result of that, we'll be getting sepals in place of petals, and gene C will be expressed in world 3, and as a result of that, we'll be getting carpels in place of stamen, right? That was all about the concept of this model. Okay, so to get a better understanding of the concept and to get an idea of what type of questions are asked from this topic, let's have a look at question from a CSIR examination, which says that individual and overlapping expression of homeotic genes in adjacent wall of a floral flower determine the pattern of floral organ development. In an Arabidopsis mutant, floral organs are distributed as follows. So they have given us the wall pattern and the structure present in them, which says that in wall 1 it is carpel, wall 2 stamens, wall 3 stamens, and wall 4 again carpels, right? So on the basis of this arrangement, they have asked the question that loss of function mutation in which of the following genes could have caused the above pattern of floral organ development. Okay, very easy question. Let me get it to you. So the arrangement is carpel, stamens, stamens, carpel, right? Now look at here. These two are getting replaced. Petal is replaced by stamen and sepal is replaced by carpel. In absence of which gene this can happen? This can happen only when A gene is mutated, because only when A gene is mutated, C gene can express up to wall 1, and only when the C gene is only expressed, it causes the formation of carpel, and C gene along with B gene causes the formation of stamen, right? So in that way you can find that it is A gene mutant, and the answer says Epitela 2, which is the option A. So A option is correct, right? Easy question. Just follow the basics and learn the names of genes, and you'll be able to solve the questions within a few seconds, right? Now let me give you one more question to which you have to answer, and you have to write the answers in the comment section later. So this is the question. Pause the video, go through the question and answer it, right? So that's it about the video, and before we move to the end, let me give you one bonus information, which is these three genes, the expression of these three genes A, B, C is controlled by one more gene which is considered as E gene, and the name of that gene is sepaleta, right? And when the E gene is considered in this model, the model gets modified into ABCE model, right? But I did not find any questions asked in the examination from that model, so I don't think it is worthy of discussion. So that's all for this video. I would really appreciate if you take a moment to subscribe to this channel, because it will help me grow, and catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.